I am pleased to have you return to my Coin Lady channel. It is possible that the most insane phase for XRP is just around the corner. Not only does Bitcoin seem to be heading for a huge rise, but XRP might also be about to make a huge move. We must address a few critical points before the experts' predictions, which range from 30 to 200%, can be considered credible. Does the SEC intend to appeal? What did Brad Garlinghouse have to say about Trump's win, and when is Gary Gensler's resignation? Everything is going to be dissected by us. Tell me how that relates to XRP. In addition to reviewing the chart's price behavior, I have some fairly significant news to share with you. This is what I can tell you, it's decent. Like and subscribe as usual, and we'll see what happens in the video. Therefore, let us discuss what transpired. It is true that the United States has chosen a new president. Now tell me how this relates to XRP specifically. It is well known at this point that the SEC requested and received a postponement of their appeal brief, which was ultimately postponed until January 15th. It was widely believed, myself included, at the time that if this election goes to Trump and he wins, Gary will be out of the race. It's as if they're trying to tread carefully. The only remaining question is whether or not Trump will become the 47th president of the United States. I don't understand. Well, many in the community and among experts feel that the corporation may not receive an appeal brief from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, because of Donald Trump's victory in the presidential election. I suppose that's their position. Is sitting in the chair required of Gary Gensler or not? My Bitcoin update video from yesterday was already mentioned. A new SEC chair, Hester Peirce, may join the expedition. We already know that she is far more receptive to considering cryptocurrency as a digital asset, how to accept it, and most crucially, how to maintain its status in the United States. This has the potential to greatly boost XRP's value. If everything is just thrown out, there's no need to pay the bill. According to XRP, the price is expected to maintain its recent upward trend of 5% in the last 24 hours following Donald Trump's victory for president. The cryptocurrency has encountered multiple obstacles since the SEC sued Ripple Labs, its founding company, in December 2020. By the time this appeal was filed, the company would have been embroiled in more than 4 years of litigation. I could be completely insane. What do I think? It is my firm conviction that it is discarded. In my opinion, it will fail miserably. Plus, I think XRP is about to make a significant shift. Many are now anticipating Gary Gensler's departure. The truth is that Trump has already threatened to fire him from his position. He might be able to go earlier now. On occasion, it is the case with SEC chairs. Nevertheless, we are in the era of Gary Gensler, the SE who is leading our group, and retail investors across are hungry for things to change. After Trump's victory for president, investors across several retail communities on social media demanded that Gary Gensler be removed from his position. Additionally, Brad gallantly stumbled in to express his optimism. Similarly, in a recent post, the next Brad Garlinghouse publicly called for quick changes in U.S. cryptocurrency policy and congratulated Donald Trump on his 2024 election victory. In my opinion, there are two crucial points to be made. First, that Gary Gensler's time at the office is coming to an end, and second, that Brad is requesting a change at the Gathering House without delay. Considering that this filing is not expected until January 15th, it is easy to see how this will not be resolved. Since Brad thinks that would be the best course of action, there is likely a storyline from him to speed things up. However, this fresh narrative could only be good. Again, that's not all. Lots of people are really looking forward to it. What else are we working on if you require more of a catalyst? Yes, that chair isn't a Gary Gans. The approval of the ETF is this. Would Gary consider launching an XRP ETF as a means to salvage his situation? Is that how he plans to remain in office? In my opinion, that is not the case. A change in leadership at the mid-level myriad of digital assets could bring about policy shifts, and XRP, among other things, is sure to be one of the assets that stands to gain from these changes. The crypto industry is buzzing with expectation after the surprising turn of events in 24. Approval of an exchange-traded fund is looking more likely than before. But the new government is taking a different approach to cryptocurrency. Thus, this may also be a significant matter. Therefore, consider these 3 points. This is the end for Gary Gensler. They failed to submit the appeal, hence the $12.5 million won't be paid, along with an XRP ETF. In your opinion, how will that affect the price? Please share your thoughts in the space provided. At this very moment, Bitcoin is seeing a small surge. XRP trading at $54.04. This was brought up yesterday. It is crucial that this break occurs above 54. On this lower level, we keep it. Some of the important levels we are watching on XRP right now include the 58 to 62 zone, and we want to see this price start to surge up again soon. The most crucial aspect is the trend's departure from the lower support and its subsequent ascent to the higher side. I believe that a great deal of good is on the horizon. Crypto is likely to have a significant upswing. In my opinion, we are going to see a significant improvement on that front. Additionally, XRP and the altcoin market are soon to arrive. We might even witness 80,000 by the weekend if Bitcoin can stabilize and maintain around 75.5. In my opinion, XRP will reach 60 cents quite soon, and we will be prepared. The resignation of Gary Gensler or the non-arrival of the SEC filing would be a significant boon to XRP's price. It could be completely insane, Maven, to retesting for 75 to 80 cents. Seeing my video is an honor. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.